In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch, Switch Lite or Switch OLED to your Wi-Fi network to get internet. So the first step, press the home button once the Switch is powered on. So we start at the same place. And you're gonna click on the settings icon right over here. Click it twice so you enter. You can also use the buttons or the touchscreen. And then on the left side, go down and select Internet. Then select Internet Settings. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks around you, and you may already be being connected to one in the past or currently, and that one will have a blue check mark. If you want to start fresh, you can select the network that you are already connected to and select Clear Settings and Delete. It will scan again for all the Wi-Fi networks, and now go ahead and select the one that you want to connect it to. Now it's time to type the password. You can use again those buttons, but honestly it's much more easier to go ahead and use the keyboard and with the touch screen. Press OK. And once you got the the blue check marks, press OK, and you are currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. You'll get internet and you'll be able to use your Switch. Now, what if you get an error message and you're having troubles connecting to your Wi-Fi network? I'll show you a few different tricks you can try so this problem gets fixed quickly. Once you try connecting to your Wi-Fi network, you get this message, unable to connect to network. The error details will now be displayed and you have a red X over here telling you that the Switch is not even able to connect to your router. So what should you do to fix this issue? Well, first of all, let's exit this screen. Here you can press Close, View Network Settings. You can go back. It will search for the different networks, and the first step is to disconnect yourself, to erase completely your Wi-Fi network from the Switch itself. So this is my Wi-Fi network that my password has been registered and everything. Tap on it and then select Clear Settings. Delete. It will search again for the different Wi-Fi networks and they'll be presented to you. Now, next step is to put the Switch down, go where your Wi-Fi router is located and unplug it from the wall outlet. All right, let it sit for at least 15 seconds completely unplugged and then plug it back. This is a simple reboot. All right, once your Wi-Fi router is plugged back, usually it takes 3 or 5 minutes until it's back online. Then take your Switch and you're gonna press the Y button over here to scan for networks again. Your Wi-Fi router should appear in this list, and I suggest you do this while standing around your Wi-Fi router. Try to be close to it. Then go ahead and select your Wi-Fi from the list. Type the password. Make sure you type the right password. Press OK. And here we go. Now it actually worked. We got the blue check marks. Press OK, and this is about it. Now, if your Switch connects to your Wi-Fi network, but there's no actual internet and you're not able to access the internet, what you can do is to click Internet Settings over here. This is the network I'm currently connected to. Press on it, and then select Change Settings. Go down, and when you see DNS Settings, by default it's automatic, but we're going to put it in manual mode. And now on the first option over here, primary DNS, you're going to tap on this option. We're going to delete what's on the screen. And what you need to type is 1.1.1.1. Press OK. So this is for the primary DNS, and for the secondary DNS. And over here, we're going to delete everything again. And we're going to type 1 1.0.0.1. Press OK. Press save and everything should work. If you're still having issue, go back in the DNS settings and instead of the numbers I told you, under primary DNS, erase this and type 8.8.8.8. And as a secondary DNS, okay, the second option, type 8.8.4.4. Usually after doing this, it should fix your issues and everything should work as it's supposed to. So thanks for watching. If you have any other tips on how to fix this issue, please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.